My poster is about using historical seismic intensity data to assess hazard map performance in California and beyond. It showcases results from the California Historical Intensity Mapping Project, also known as CHIMP, which is a consistently interpreted data set of maximum historical seismic intensity observations going back 162 years. To assess the hazard maps, we use two different performance metrics, which compare observed shaking to predicted shaking. In California, the observations show shaking less than expected by the hazard maps. This could be due to the data being biased low, the maps being biased high, or random chance wherein a perfect map could still perform poorly. We also show initial results looking at hazard maps in Nepal and how these compare to studies worldwide.